Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Compliments of the season. I'm so happy to be here, though I've not been consistent since this vlogmas. I've been very busy with work. I have a full-time job I do on the side, hence why I've not been posting videos consistently. Please bear with me. If you're just meeting me for the first time, my name is Chima. I'm a YouTuber based in South Africa, and on this channel I put out beauty related videos, lifestyle content, and a little bit of nail artistry as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Okay, join my family and I will be glad to have you here. So without wasting much of your time, I just wanted to laminate my brows today, and I decided to take my beautiful subscribers along. You know, it's Christmas, so we're trying to slay. You know, we want our brows to be on point and on fleek without stressing ourselves much. So I decided to laminate my brows. Normally what I do is I do brow henna on my brows most times, and I'm going to do a video on that, on how I apply henna on my brows. I got a lamination kit and it comes like this. These are the steps. It has step 1, step 2, and step 3, and also it has a glue to hold down your brows in place. So without wasting much of your time, let's just jump right into the lamination. So the first thing I'm going to do is to brush up my brow hairs in place with this brow lamination glue. So I'm just going to do that right away. So I'm going to use this pulley and brush the brow hairs in place where I want my hair to be. I applied a little bit, so let me apply more. Before applying my glue, I already cleaned my brows to avoid oils. So now I've brushed my brows in place. I'll do that over here as well. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to apply my step 1. This is step 1. I'm going to be applying the step 1 all over my brows, avoiding my skin. So I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to apply that upwards. To make it faster, after applying the step 1, I'm just going to cover it up with this for 3 minutes and then remove the step 1 as well. It's going to also help the processing time. So this is how it's looking right now. I'm just going to set my timer for 3 minutes. You can leave it on for 5 minutes if you want, but I want it on for 3 minutes because I don't want it to be very permed, you know. Yeah, so this is the timer. Minutes off. I'm just gonna remove that. 3 minutes is off. I'm just gonna remove that step 1 carefully with this. Time to apply step 2. See, I didn't really allow the lifting lotion to stay for 5 minutes because my hair is a bit straightened out already, so I don't want it to be very much permed, hence why I didn't leave it for 5 minutes. So now this nourishing lotion, I'm going to just leave it on for 3 minutes as well, and I'll come back and apply the last step, which is the step 3, and we'll be done. Yeah, just take you guys through the steps once again. Firstly, I apply the glue just to lift my brows. The first step is the lifting lotion. The second step is the fixing lotion you apply to fix, and the third step, which is the step I'm about to do right now, and the last step is the nourishing lotion. Now I'm going to try and remove the step 2 and also apply the last step, which is the nourishing lotion, and that will be the final step. And as you guys can see, I didn't really allow the the fixing lotion and also the step 1 to stay for a very long time. You can allow it stay for 5 minutes, just the way you want it, okay? But I don't want mine to stay for that long, hence why I allowed it to just stay for 3 minutes, and I'm good to go. Now let me try and remove this step 2 and prepare for the last step. So with my cotton pad, I'm just gonna clean off any remaining lotion here. So guys, I've just did for 3 minutes or more than that because I went to get something, and I'm just gonna remove the step 3, the remaining little lotion there. I'm just going to remove it a bit, just a bit. I don't really have to remove that, but I'm just gonna wipe it off a little bit. And this is what my brows is looking like at the moment. This is so good if you have those rough coily kind of brows. It is advisable you start laminating your brows, okay? It's so easy peasy, so easy, super affordable, and it's safe, trust me, okay? Yeah, so what I normally do on my brows is, after laminating my brows, I just go ahead and apply my brow henna. Most people go ahead and apply brow tint on their brows just to define the brows a little bit more, but for me, I prefer going in with the henna on my brows. The henna is more natural, it's from the earth, it's so safe. You already know, if you're a Nigerian, if you're even from Africa, you should know what hennas are, okay? We use them to decorate our hands, our toes, especially if you're from the northern part of Nigeria. They use it to decorate their body, and just women use it to beautify their body, their hands and all that. But this particular henna I'm talking about is formulated for the brows, okay? I'm going to be doing that in my next video. Watch out for that video, okay? Just to show you guys how I apply my henna on my brows instead of going for the regular brow tint, especially for people like me who do not want to keep applying these formulated chemicals on our brows, and you don't want your brows to start falling out in the long run. So if it's something you want to see, please watch out for my next video. I'm going to be showing you how I apply my brow henna, because I don't want to go into that in this particular video. Let me just take time and appreciate my brow lamination at the moment, okay? I hope you like it. Although you saw I didn't allow this brow lamination to stay for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is the I think is the maximum time you can allow it to stay, but I just want mine to stay for 3 to 4 minutes and I'll be good. And this is my beautiful brow lamination. So we've come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to give it a huge thumbs up this video, share it with your friends. This is Christmas and it's time to share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you've watched up to this point, I put out beauty related content, and if it's something that resonates with you, please consider subscribing. Click on that red button that says subscribe down below and press that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Stay blessed, stay safe, and compliment of the season once again. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.